Hello guys, how are you today? Fine. Yesterday we were explaining exercise 1 on the extra sheet. We were looking at the remainder and at the divisor. We said that. We said yesterday that divisor, the number that's written here, we call it what? Divisor. So 2, 7, 3, and 5 in the multiplication tables, we call them what? Divisors. Okay, and we said that the number that's written down, we call it what? Remainder. And the remainder always it has to be less than the divisor. So 1, is it less than 2? So yeah, if it's less, so the operation is correct. I will continue this question today. We did this part yesterday, now let's continue. Here, they divided 37 by 6. So 6, we are dividing by 6. So 6, we call it what? Divisor. We said that the answer let division, the one that's written up, we name it what? Quotient. With remainder, the number that's written down, we call it remainder. 1 is left. We are dividing which number? We are dividing 37. So 37 is the dividend. Okay? So dividend, because we are dividing 37. By which number? By 6. So 37 divided by 6. So 6, we are dividing by 6. 6 is the divisor, 37 is the dividend. The answer, let division, we write it up, we call it quotient. With remainder, the number that's written down equals 1. We will check if these operations here are correct or wrong. Always we have to check. Is the remainder less than the divisor? 1, is it less than 6? Yes, so the operation is correct. The second one, look at the remainder. Remainder how much? 3. Remainder 3. Divisor how much? 6. Is 3 less than 6? Yes, so the operation is correct. Same way, what is the remainder? 6. Divisor how much? 9. Is 6 less than 9? Yes, so the remainder is less than the divisor اللي هو 9. So is the operation correct? Yes, so I'm just comparing remainder by the divisor. Here remainder 6. Divisor it's 5. So is the remainder is 6 less than 5? No, it's bigger than 5. So is it correct? No, it's wrong because it has to be less. Why? Because here 6 are left. We can make 5 groups of 5, sorry. We can make groups of 5. So it's wrong. This operation is wrong. Okay. Now, remainder equals how much? 13. Divisor how much? 5. Is the operation correct? Is 13 less than 5? No, it's bigger than 5. So we can make groups of 5. We can make more groups of 5. So is it correct? No, it's wrong. Now, 53 divided by which number? 9. Okay, here they didn't write the remainder, we should know. In order to know the remainder, we have to write table 9. Okay, the answers of table 9: 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Do we have 53 in table 9? Do we have here 53? No. So we will choose the closest number. Okay, which number very close left 53 and less than 53? Which number? 45. So we have to write under 53 which number? 45 اللي هو very close لل 53. Okay, up we have to write which number in table 9 give us 45. 9 times which number? 9 times 5 equals 45. So here it has to be 5, not 6. So is this operation correct? No, it's wrong. Okay, it's wrong. Why? Because the closest number to 53 is 45. Which number in table 9 give us 45? 9 times 5. It's not 6, so this operation is wrong. Okay, because if we write 6, it will be 54. 54 is bigger. It's not the closest number to 53. So it's wrong. We have to choose a number less than 53. Here, divisor 9, remainder also it's 9. Is it correct? Can the divisor and the remainder be the same? No, they can't be the same. Why? Because here we can make a group of 9. We have 9, so we can make a group of 9. So is it correct? No, it's wrong. Okay? It's wrong. Now, 38 divided by 6. Divisor who is 6. Will remainder equals 8. Is it correct? No. Why? Because the remainder should be less. So it's wrong. We can make here more groups of 6. So it's not correct. Here, divisor 5. Remainder how much? 2. Is it correct? Yes, why? Because the remainder who is 2 less than 5. So we can't make groups of 5. We can't make more groups of 5. So it's correct. And here, remainder how much? 16. 16 a remainder with divisor 9. Remainder 16 is bigger than 9. So we can make more groups of 9. So is it correct? No, it's wrong. Because the remainder is bigger than 9 and it has to be less. Okay? So in order to, when I say correct the mistake here, 25. Which number very close to 25 with table 9? Which number 25? Can I say 27? No, because it's bigger. So it's 18. Okay? But here what did they write? They wrote 9. No, it has to be how much? 18 and 2 up. Okay, so always, yeah, teacher, in order to check if the operation is correct or wrong, just compare the divisor and the remainder together. دايما يا teacher, remainder, it has to be less than the divisor. Okay, now I will explain for you how did we get these operations. How do we get the quotient? How do we get the remainder? And how do we choose the closest number? I will explain for you how do we divide. Yeah. In order to divide numbers, why we are dividing? We are dividing in order to break down numbers into smaller groups. Okay? Type. We need a way now to divide these numbers. Which way? Look at this way. For example, if we want to divide 37 by 6, okay? We know that 37, we are breaking down 37 into groups of 6. Okay? Type. 37 is not in table 6, but we can choose a number very close to 37 by table 6. Okay? Because it's not in table 6, we will arrange them to divide them. Okay? So we will draw this chair. هيدي هي الchair. Okay? الديفيزر هو السكند number, it has to be here. والbiggest number اللي هو الديفيدند, this one is the dividend, this one is the divisor. We are dividing by 6, so 6 is the divisor. With dividend we write it where? Down. Okay? طيب. In order to divide, first we have to write table, what? Table 6. Let's write table 6. 0. The answers of table 6. 6, 12, 18. 6 times 3, 18. Then 24, then 30, then 36, then 42, 48, 54, and 60. On the other side, yeah, teacher, we will draw a vertical line, Damon. Then we will count them starting from where? From 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what? And 10. Okay? We will start step by step. 37. Type. Look at table 6, at the answers of table 6. Do we have here 37? No. So we will choose a number very close to 37 and less than 37. Which number? 36. So I will write 36 under 37 because it's the closest number. Okay? So 36 here. Don't forget which number here give us 36. It's 6. So 6 we have to write it where? Up. With 36 down. So we start up, down. 6 up, 36 what? Down. Let's check how many are left. In order to know how many are left, we will subtract both. 7 minus 6, it's 1. 3 minus 3, 0. So the remainder equals 1. Is it less than 6? Yes, so the operation is correct. Remainder equals how much? 1. الأنسر للdivision هو 6. We call it what? Quotient. Okay? طيب. Now, your teacher, I will tell you an easy way, the steps we have to follow in order to divide. Look, first we are dividing 37 by 6. Yes, so we are dividing. D, هيدا the first step. Divide 37 by 6. Okay? Second step, when you choose the closest number, it's 36. Which number in table 6 give us 36? It's 6. So we are multiplying 6 by 6, 36. So the second step, you have to multiply. Okay? You will multiply. Then the third step, when I multiply and when I write here 36, what shall I do? I will subtract the two numbers. So the remainder will be how much? 1. So 3 steps. Okay? Divide, multiply, then what? Subtract. We will study them like this way. Look how. Division steps. Dad means we have to make what? Divide. Mom, we have to make what? Multiply. Sister, we have to make what? Subtract. So 3 steps. Dad, mom, and sister. Divide, multiply, and then what? Subtract. Okay? We will follow these steps in order to make the division operation. Dad, mom, sister. Dad, mom, sister. Okay? Let's do the first one in exercise 2 on the extra sheet. I will send it for you on the system. 29 divided by 3. We will follow 3 steps. We said dad, mom, sister. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. So 3 steps. Dad, mom, sister. Okay? Dad, we will divide. We will divide 29 by which number? By 3. We are dividing 29 by 3. In order to divide them, we have to write table 3. Let's write table 3. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. On the other side, we will count starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.